Hello there, it's Chris from Qminder. We have a feature that is called data retention. What it means is that you can choose when your visitor's personal data is being deleted automatically. Let's see how it works. Go to the dashboard and from the left bottom corner from your profile icon, choose Account Setup. Now please note that this page can only be accessed by administrator and owner users. Next, choose Data Retention. And here you will see the option called deleting personal data. You can tick that and then choose a retention period, for example, a year, and you're done. Now, how this actually works is that any personal data that has been stored for 12 months will be automatically deleted. Personal data such as visitor name, phone number, email, or any other input field information. Performance data will not be deleted. So service time, wait time, visitor volume numbers, those will not be removed. This is a really good feature if you want to make sure your company follows all the data protection regulations. Just automate the process with this and save time. That's all.